Do you have a WordPress website? And are you stressed about your media files? No need to worry. Theme and Code develops WP File Access Manager. This plugin allows you to control access for every single file you upload to your WordPress media library. Now let's look at each functionality. Restrict individual file. Restrict by file types. Restrict by user roles. Restrict by specific users. Restrict all uploads. Integration with WooCommerce. Integration with Paid Memberships Pro. Let's see how to restrict individual file. This is my website, and I want to restrict this image file. All I have to do is open my media library and select this image. After that, click on Manage Access button, and you will get single file restriction options. Then select Require Login. Yes, the file is restricted. Then select Restrict by User Roles and Access Type. Allow. After that, I have to select User Roles. Let's say Administrator. So what happens? Only admin can see this image and nobody else can see this image. Then click on Save Setting and this file will be restricted. I can see this image because I'm an admin here. But when I open this page from any other browser where I'm not admin, I can't see this image. And it shows a message: you are not permitted to access this image. Now I will show Restrict by file types. Here you will find many files like JPG, PNG, WebP, SVG, XML, text, and PDF. So the file type you have in your WordPress media will be shown here. If you have different files, all of those will come up here as well. So let's say I want to restrict all JPG files for a specific user role. So what I can do, I can put yes, this file type is restricted. And I want to choose user roles and need to select specific user roles. Let's say admin. You can restrict by specific users or user roles and allow or disallow them. So what happens? Only admin can see these JPG files and no one else can see. You can restrict anyone like editors, subscribers, or any login user. Okay, now I click on Save Setting and all JPG files will be restricted for everyone except admin. See, I'm the admin here. I can see this image. But when I open any other browser where users are logged in or not, they won't be able to see this image. Now I will show Restrict by User Roles. Now I want to restrict all uploads by user role. So here I am selecting Restrict by User Role and Access Type Disallow. Okay, now I need to select specific user roles who don't have permission to see it. Let's say customer, contributor, and author cannot see it. Okay, now if I open another browser and log in with a customer and I see nothing here. Now let's look at Restrict by Specific Users. Okay, I want to restrict this image for a specific user. For this, I open my media library and select this image and click on Manage Access button. So I have to do Require Login Yes and select Restricted by Users. After that, Access Type Disallow. Now I need to select the specific user that I restrict for this file. Well, here I want to restrict David for this file, so that I have to search for the user and select them. Okay, now if I open another browser where David is a logged-in user, he cannot see this image. Let's see here, David is a logged-in user, and this image is restricted for him. Now if I log in with another user, he will see this image. See, it is visible for other user. Now let's see Restrict All Uploads. Here you will find Require Login option. If you select Restrict All Uploaded Files to Logged-in Users Only, and Access Type Allow. So what happens? Only logged-in users can see these files and no one else can see them. See here, I'm not a logged-in user and I can't see any files. Next is Integration with WooCommerce. Select if you want to enable integration with WooCommerce. Enabling this will allow you to set up restriction based on WooCommerce purchase. For this, I am selecting Require Login Yes and Restricted by WooCommerce. After that, I have to select Access Type Allow. Then I have to select my WooCommerce products. Purchasing any of the selected products will allow or disallow access to this file. Now I'm selecting my WooCommerce product, and which is beauty product. So now this product is restricted. Okay, now what can I do? It will be visible when I buy this product. Let's buy this product and see what happens. For this, I have to go to the store, select this product and add it to the cart. After all that, I have to fill all the information on the checkout page. And I have successfully purchased this product. Now if I go back to this page and reload this page, you will see this product is visible. Now let's look at our last function, and that is integration with Paid Memberships Pro. Let's say I want to select all this images for paid membership. For this, I need to go my media library again and select all the images and manage access. Then I have to select Restrict by Paid Memberships Pro and Access Type Disallow. After that, I have to select Paid Membership Pro levels. Okay, I am selecting here Free User. Well, now if I open another browser and log in as a free user, I don't see anything here. Now if I log in with a monthly user, let's see what happens. Check it out. I'm a monthly user and can see everything. This plugin is developed by the Theme Encode team. If you need more information, please visit www.themeencode.com.